Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2014 Dodge Journey SXT. This Journey is riding on 19-inch alloy wheels. Power comes from a 3.5 liter V6 engine, matted to an automatic transmission, and front wheel drive. Starting out at the front, we've got our blacked out grille with chrome trim, our fog lights, and coming around to the side, we have color matched mirrors and door handles with black roof rails on top. We also have the deep tint rear privacy glass for both your passengers and your cargo. So let's hop inside and check out some of the interior features this Journey has to offer. This Journey does come equipped with a keyless entry and factory installed remote start. Coming up close, we've got this really nice comfy black cloth interior, which carries through to the back. We've got seating for 3 back here, or a pull down center console. Opening up the door, right here we have our power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. And hopping in, taking a look at the steering wheel. On this side we have our Bluetooth hands-free calling and our audio controls. Over here is our cruise control. And this is a push button start, so you just put your foot on the brake, hit the button, and you're good to go. This Journey does have the rear parking assist, so there is sensors back there that will let you know if you are getting too close to anything you're backing up into. Taking a look over here, we have an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, and it is satellite radio ready. There's a bunch of different things that you can customize on your vehicle. It does have the driver and passenger heated seats. Coming down here, we have our climate control with air conditioning and our front and rear window defrost. We've got really great rubber matting in here, which will protect your upholstery and keep everything nice and clean no matter the weather. And moving back around, there is a ton of room back there. Your passengers will be very comfortable. So we will hop out and we will take a look at the cargo space. Swinging around back, we have our rear mounted antenna and our color matched back spoiler and bumper. Right down there we do have our tow hitch that is got all the electrical bits to hook up to your brakes, and it does have the dual exhaust. To get into the trunk, we're just going to pull it open and it helps you out there, and we can see a whole ton of cargo space. This also has the 60/40 fold down seats, so you can expand that cargo space and carry quite a bit. Underneath there, we also have our spare tire and all the tools you would need if you found yourself in that situation. We also have a few extra storage compartments back here and some cargo tie downs as well. In the back, we've got our Dodge, our Journey, and our SXT branding. And coming around to the side, it is a very nice looking vehicle for a large SUV and will fit you and your passengers comfortably. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2014 Dodge Journey SXT with me. If you'd like to take it for a spin or take a look at it yourself, please come on down to 1624 Carey Road, or you can give us a call and one of our amazing product advisors would be happy to talk to you. Or you can check out our website at kelownatoyota.com to get more information on this SUV or browse the rest of our new and used inventory. We hope everybody is having a wonderful winter season. Please drive safe, and we're excited to see you soon.